Because less people travel down that way than they do up this way.
Well, they travel through here.
Yeah.
Auction parking, huh?
They got plenty of parking. Got the 3-point hitch with the adapter and the rear power takeoff.
Alright guys, we're going here. On your 7810. Now, Doug will tell you if you want, but Doug bought this. He bought this himself. We're going to sell it the way he bought it. There's 14 weights on there that oftentimes we take off. We're selling you that complete. Quick hitch on the back is going with it. You got fenders. You got a quarter post exhaust. You got creeper gear. You've got a joystick that's in here. This was set up for a loader, but never had a loader put on it. So it does have the joystick if you want to put a loader on. It's prepped. You're buying it with duals. That's quite a nice tractor. The hours are his own. Pretty much used right here. The tires are original, so you didn't go up and down the road much, guys. Those tires stayed on soft dirt. There's 3930 hours on it. 3930 on the hours. The real popular tractor, your 78 tons, a little shorter wheelbase than the 20s. You can get around the end of the field with it. It's nice with a loader. Help yourselves. Real popular tractor. What do you want to get for it up and going? Like 80,000 to go. 80,000. 80,000 now, they're at 80 power, but it could be 80 coming from 80, but it could be 80 now, but 80 coming forward, 80,000. That's $77,000 once. $77,000 twice. What? 77.5 a walk. 77.5 third and final call. All done. Right over there. 959 is the buyer. Right at $77,000. Okay, you saw her go back, you saw her go forward, the dual power works. Right now he says he's having trouble, it's not going into high, and that it could be about anything, so. All right, there it is, you heard her run, you saw her run. What do you want to give on her here? We'll give 6,000. 6,000 not a bill. 6,000? 6,000 not a coming on, but I get 6,000 not a bill, but I get 6,000. 6,000 not a bill, come on. You're done. 4,700. 46 bid. 4,700. Anybody else? You want to get 4,700 last call? 4,600. 961. 961 at 4,600. 2300. Right one, that one's right. It's all original.
I'll get Charlie.
22 and 3. Start me on.
2300. One waiting for $2,200.
I don't know.
Alrighty, 6610 right here, fellas. Now, ones that got books, we put them with it. Take care of them.
It's got a rabbit turtle dual power.
Rabbit turtle dual power.
High, low, 8 speed.
There you go.
4 low, 4 high.
4 low, 4 high. Pull bins, pull anything with that. Orchard fenders. This one's custom
And
made.
it's used.
This one's custom made for driving along the drip edge. Alrighty.
Yep.
Plug set, right? Alrighty, right here guys on your 66. That's a Series 2. Already up and going. Anybody get $6,000? You want to get 6,000. Number 5, 55, all in, all done, 5,500. What do you say, 55? 52 and a half, and 996.
This is a 4000 like we have. One of our best tractors, had everything, did everything with it.
$3,600 double business, 36, 37. $3,700 double business, 77, 37, 67, 14, 14, 50.
Should go to the slaughterhouse.
We sell at 1,400. Number
8770.
Yeah.
Go ahead here. 3,600 foot. Real good rubber on the backside.
Hey, looky. Nice one's on back here. Right there, I'm going to give her that. Maybe there, I'm going to give him third off here. I'm going to give him 2500. One now, do 31, come along, get a bit $200 bin to do 31 now, 32, sold it here at 3,100, 900.
Alright, here we got a few old Fords. This is a 56, I believe, F600, like what we have, except this is older. It's got the gas V8 motor. This was used at local fire department. I'm not sure which one, but it's in pretty nice shape. It's got the 4-speed manual. You see there's the drive shaft sitting in the cab because the drive shaft is off of it. It's got the dual wheels and the frame's all rusty, but it's make a nice project. I don't know if it runs, but there's a motor. Then over here we have an L series road tractor that they have. It's got a single tag axle, and they use it as a dump truck with the low sides, and then they added the extra high sides to it. This one's got a Ford V8 in it, which is gas. This thing's been running for like an hour. These things are pretty valuable because I haven't made these in years. We actually had one like this on our farm too. It was a 9000 gas. We bought it used, and it was a 10-wheeler, or it was a road tractor, but we pulled a flatbed with, and then we turned it into a 10-wheeler. So there you go.
Says it won't run. Just spend no money on it, it won't run. Just see without a battery. Jimmy, that's got no battery. We charge it on our...
They're not paying much for batteries.
That's right.
Right, and the grill's going too.
There you go.
Sold as ever.
Buying what you see.
There she is. She's a beaut.
Now, that... Yep.
3-point hitch goes with it.
Oh, yeah.
Water tractor to the farm. The hours are correct. It was used right here. Bought no one used here.
Turn it off here. Money giving $3,000 bucket down. 3, get a 3 there. 3, get a 3. Get a 9, 39 under double bid the 9, 39. One more time there, 39, 38 and a half. Come along, get a 9 under double bid the 9, get a 9, 39. Sold it, 38.50.
Diesel, boys, diesel. Front stored indoors. The book on the motor on the deck. There's a book right there, shows the deck. Hydraulic lift on your deck, as you saw. I just got it. Diesel.
High, low.
Yeah,
High, low range for driving.
On low range.
Forward, reverse, I just got it. Watch your feet.
Just in time. Grass is growing. Right there, what do you give for that? Baby there, what do you give a little diesel there? Right there, what do you give it? 25, they want to bid the phone?
Yeah, I think they do.
825?
Better make sure.
800 bucks is over here. He is 929. 929.
Good job.
Yeah, now you can sit on.
Nice job.
Oh, this one.
Yep, it's just me now.
Already, no batteries. I already come on here now, but I can forward up and go buy them up batteries. Nice thing, this number is 962, 962.
Yeah, we got. There we go.
Grain on him, she's nice.
Right there.
I think I counted 24 row.
Nice shape in the
Corn,
body.
or grain drill.
Right indoors, guys.
Y'all done 4,000 come along, give about 4,100 a little bit in one, 4,100, 41, 4,000 bucks right here, 934. Bid on that.
Fuck is right here, guys.
All in, all done. 45, 46, 4,600. You ready? Here's about 4,500.
Now, this goes with it. These parts are separate. You're buying that as one unit right after. You're going to buy this. I'm totally ready to go in the field right now. The shaft is right there for it. And there's your soil incorporator. I tell you guys, something you don't find in every auction. What do you want to give here today? You got fluted soil. This will help you get by the DEC guy. Alrighty. 2,000? Yes, 2,035. 3,035, $100, 3,035, $100. For $9,000 coming on, but I get 9 and 9 and 9 and 87.50. Thank you.